Hello friends, today in this lecture we are going to learn how we are going to construct the histogram along with the normal curve. I have already imported the data file with the name of Century Textile and I have converted into the stationery. It's your wish whether you want to make the histogram and normal curve for the original data or for the converted stationery data. So I have already taken the log. I have calculated the returns of the series and now I am going to make the histogram along with the normal curve with the return series. So let me show you how to make a histogram. We have already learned in the previous videos also. So first of all, let me give you the command rcentury. So this is my histogram and now I am going to show you how we are going to make the normal curve on this histogram. So first of all, I am storing the command in X. So X is equals to, I am giving the command for sequence. I am making a sequence. First of all, minimum of my variable, that is rcentury. Once you have given the command for minimum, then you have to give the command for maximum. Again rcentury. And then you have to take a length. You can take any length. So I am giving the command that length should be equals to 40. Now next command will be for the function. I have to calculate the mean and the standard deviation of the variable. So I am storing the command in variable y. So y is equals to, over here whenever we have to make a normal curve, we have to use the command dnorm. So dnorm, first of all I'll say x because I have stored the previous command in x, and then I am going to calculate the mean of the variable. So mean is equals to mean rcentury. Once you have calculated mean, the next command is you have to calculate standard deviation. So the short form of standard deviation is ST is equals to ST rcentury. And then enter. Now we are going to give the command for making the histogram. So hist, now rcentury, comma, probability is equals to true, comma, color we need to be white. So I am giving the command white, comma, y-lim is equals to C 0, comma, maximum of y. Because we have stored the command for mean and standard deviation in y, so it should be y. And then we have to give the main name. That means my main is equals to, I have to make a histogram along with normal curve. So I'll write histogram with normal curve. Okay, now the histogram with normal curve is there. Now I have to make a normal curve on this. So my command will be, I have to draw a line for a normal curve. So it will be lines, bracket. First of all, I have stored the command in X, then I have stored the command in Y. And now I want the color to be equals to, let's say, blue. And length of the width, that means whatever line I am drawing, the width. Now it depends how much width you want. The standard by default, the width is 1. You can make it 2, 3, 4. So let's say, let me take width LWD, width of the line should be 2. Now see, you can see the curve is over here. Now if you want a broader line, so you can give the command, instead of 2, you can write the width to be 8. So now you can see the width is increased. Even you can increase the width to 12 if I am going to give the command for width should be 12. So you will get more broader width. So it's up to you how much width you want, which color you want. So in this way you can make a normal curve on the histogram Hope you have understood the concept how we are going to make it. Thank you.